Okay, so baseball field, right? I mean, you might have noticed that the filmmaker kind of gave us very particular images of the field, right? I mean, there's fences, but there's not many fans or spectators, and it's not a really beautiful field. I mean, come on. There are 13-year-olds living in Purcellville, Virginia who play on beautifully manicured fields, and that is not one of them, right? Well, here's the thing you need to know, and this is important. Sometimes in narrative nonfiction, the setting is described subtly at first, and then as the story goes on, that setting really goes ahead and gets developed very thoroughly in great detail. And there's a reason for that. So actually, what I want to do is I want you guys to go ahead and watch this clip a little bit further. And this time, you're going to get a little bit of a better taste of where this is taking place. So go ahead and watch that next video and see if your idea of the setting changes the way that you're thinking about this ball field and these players.